Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to clear your browsing history from the last 7 days on Google Chrome. This is perfect if you want to clean up recent activity without deleting everything. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your tabs or homepage. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 dots. This opens Chrome's main menu where all the settings and options are stored. From the menu, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. This will take you into Chrome's settings page where you can manage your privacy and browsing options. Now find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls everything related to your browsing data, including history, cookies, and cache. Once you're there, tap on Clear Browsing Data. You'll now see different options for what you can delete. Make sure that browsing history is checked. If it's not, tap the box to select it. You can also choose other items if you want, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on history only. After that, tap on the time range option. A list will appear with different time ranges you can choose from. Select last 7 days. This ensures that only your browsing activity from the past week will be removed, leaving older data untouched. Finally, tap on Clear Data. A confirmation may appear, so go ahead and confirm your choice. And that's it.